After about 30 minutes, the water's down, and I'm going to fish out this drain plug. Now it's very difficult to get anything down into this drain because it has this mechanism here, and so inside the tub there's a straight pipe, and if I try and fish anything into the drain, it just kind of hits a wall. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go in through this port, which will give me, if I go in, I'll get a straight shot down into the plumbing to clear what's plugging this drain. So as I mentioned before, we want to go in through the drain opening latch. So we're going to undo this screw. And just so I don't drop that screw down the drain, I'll put a cloth over the hole. A little bit more. There we go. That screw removed. We can remove this handle now. There we go. With that removed, we have two more Phillips screw heads to remove here. And now we can slowly remove this mechanism. There we go. And you can see there's a good amount of material just sitting on here. You can see we have a variety of cutting tools on here. Now, because this clog is going to be more hair and wax and typical shampoo ingredients, I'm going to use this particular spring, which will pull off and get wrapped up in some of that hair. That looks like a good one for me to use. So without any water in the tub, I have set my Garvee drain auger into the tub, and I'm going to fish it through this hole here. I'll slide in my head attachment, and then now tighten my tool. We're going to slide out some of this hose and just guide it down. We'll guide it down. Now when we do get to that U-joint, and that might actually be the clog, now we'll give it a little rotation with the foot switch. There we go. Now we can slide it out. And there's our clog. So we can push the auger back in. We can now unscrew this head. Now when you're cleaning these fixtures, the easiest thing to do is to actually almost unscrew the clog. See, I'm just rotating it counter to the coil, and it is coming right off. So there you go. Now you've got your tool nice and clean, And there is what was clogging our drain. Once we're ready to put the drain back together, we'll cover the hole so we don't lose anything. And the first thing we're going to do is slide our mechanism back down the hole and just kind of fish that in. Just like that. With our drain covered, we will reinsert our hardware. Make sure everything is threaded properly, and now we can tighten. I'll get them both snug before we tighten it. That's good. And now we can put this back on. There we go. We'll back it in. There we go. Now we can get rid of this washcloth. And now we can reinstall our drain. Make sure it works. And most importantly, and the drain is fixed. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.